Money Kings, let's get it. All right, so right now I'm on the GBP USD chart right here and just made a nice little setup of the trend. Last week it was in the bull trend. It's been in a very bullish trend for quite some time. Check this out. Check this out right here today. Day of this recording, I'm just going to put a vertical line right here. Just to let you know, this is where it started. All right. So now, so now I see right here on this support line right here, there used to be support there, and there used to be resistance there. Nice little support resistance right there. Oh, there used to be resistance resistance right here, then turn into support, then turn into resistance right there. And then here, that's where I want to make the next take profit, or stop loss, or something is going to happen over here eventually. But right now, this looks like a very nice support line right here. I'm pretty sure it's just going to go back up and test this trend line over here and just or test this area over here and then go back down. So it looks like it's just consolidating for a little bit. And consolidations are not good to do the trades in. But yeah, like I said, right here is a very nice support line right here. Just trying to figure out what is the resistance for this area. Looks like it is going to go back up. And I want to put this into the flag, but it just wouldn't fit right if you don't put it in the flag. Well, it shows that there is some resistance on this end, but for my purposes, I honestly don't really see this as actually just being in in this flag still. It doesn't look like it's still in the flag. It looks like it just broke out from the flag. And if it just broke out the flag, it must be a sell. But until that happened, the support resistance line right here turned into support. So it did break through this flag right here, but once after it broke through, it already started testing the trend line right here at the 1.35132 level. So this right here is a very risky area to be trading in. Yeah, I can't really see a good opportunity to trade here other than the fact that it's already on this support line right here. So it must be trying to go up somehow. It must be going up because it's already tested this, but right here I can see it's already tested this trend line already here. It's already tested this trend line. As a matter of fact, I want to just highlight that area right there. And I just want to highlight this area right here because it just looks like it just tested off of this area and it's going to go down. It looks like it's going down, or like just look at this area. It's just in a huge area for some consolidation. So it's honestly not the easiest way to tell when the good trade is going to be in. But right here is just an area just to look out for, because just testing look at this area right here. It's already tested the trend line as a support. And once it's being supported, there's going to be some resistance. And it looks like the resistance comes in, yeah, I would say it would come in around this area right here. Is a major price reversal zone, because you see there's been so many wicks right here, so many wicks, and pretty big wicks too, and just been constantly testing and rejecting this area a lot. So right here is not the best area to come in with a trade, but if there was a trade, it will just go back up and test this area again, and within the week it's just going to keep going back down, keep going back down. Let me go on a bigger time frame just so I can see. Oh yeah, so basically throughout this entire week, it's just been testing this area like crazy. It broke because it broke out of this area. It broke out of my trend line, out of my flag on this trend line. And now, check this out. Once when that candle is starting, it's just constantly testing this area. Constantly testing this area. So that week could have been anybody's week, honestly. And it looks like this is going to be some type of resistance right here. I mean, this is the support right here, because as you see, resisted this area, stopped right here. The new one, it tried going both directions, but it just turned out to be some support, just some support. The next one, you just have to wait and see. I want to wait until the next day candle comes out. As a matter of fact, let me go on the 4-hour chart. And kind of give you a little bit more details. Okay. So yeah, just look at this consolidation the entire week. Entire week consolidation, just fighting right around this area. Once it broke out of this area, all it can do right now, since this line was here, I'm telling you, if this area was not a major support area, I mean support resistance area, then this would have just kept going down once it broke through this trend line. So this is what's holding it up. And this is the line right here is the deciding factor of if it's going to keep going up to test this area. And if it does test this area, hopefully it breaks through this area. So that way this will be a huge massive buy if it breaks through this area. As a matter of fact, I want to put an arrow right there just to stress how much that breaking this green line right here would be. If it breaks this area right here, this is the possible potential. That's why I just want to be patient and just wait. Just wait for this to just do its work. Because no one knows where Forex is going to go. Now, as you see right here, I still think that this is going to be a buy. It looks so much like a buy. It just breaks through. It broke through here, but it already became resistance. If this area was not here, if this zone right here was not a major resistance zone, I mean a major price reversal zone, then it would have just kept going. It would have kept going up until it hit that line, so that way it can try to test this area again. And right now, it's already testing this area as its ceiling. It's basically using this trend line right here as a new ceiling. And that's what the new resistance became. Now, what's going to happen is going to keep testing this line and just wait until it's broken somehow, and just wait for when it sets out of this area. And that's basically it. So just want to do a quick recap and just write it down in stone. Wait. Wait until the trend line or the support line is broken. Price will test this area and consolidate. And I'm only just saying to be patient and wait because this area is just consolidating a lot. That's why. All right. And as always, I'll be doing updates on the Twitter. So just make sure that you are following that. And if you're not in my group chat, then I'll see about trying to leave a link on that as well. And as always, Money Kings, we feature millionaires. Let's get it.